into KTN Newsline. We have a couple of stories to come. For example, this one. Road safety lobby groups have welcomed the removal from office of National Transport and Safety Authority Director General George Njau. Addressing journalists a day after Njau was sent on compulsory leave by the NTSA board, officials of two road safety associations said the move was a step in the right direction towards reducing road carnage. Speed Governors and Road Safety Association Chairman Edward Getonga and his Road Safety Association of Kenya counterpart David Kerrie accused the NTSA board of failing to check fatal road accidents whose death toll has hit 6,000 years every year.
CS now, whom we have seen talking about road safety, this in 3 years back, we have never seen a CS talking about road safety. He has given even some guidelines. So we can see we are going somewhere. And we want to say, we know these things just started and the government is very new. They have not yet got their what you call proper routes. But one thing I want to say, I want to thank the government because in December, I was complaining about the same thing, that the board must go and the DG must go for us to realize safety in this country.
I want to indicate here that Speed Governor and Road Safety, mandated by Ministry of Transport to mitigate government effort in all matters of road safety, we have delivered. And how have we delivered? We have been there from 2008, and it is in record. Those years when the governors are working properly, the death rates go as low as 1,900.
It is globally acclaimed as the best treatment for certain types of cancers in its efforts to improve